Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to move mobile contacts to a Gmail account. By transferring contacts to a Gmail account, you create a secure backup of your important contacts. This ensures that your contact information is not solely dependent on your mobile device and can be retrieved even if the device is lost, damaged, or replaced. So the process of transferring contacts from your Android mobile to your Gmail account. If you are planning to switch to a new mobile device or just want to ensure your contacts are backed up in your Google account, this is the right video for you. To initiate the contact transfer, start by opening your Gmail account on your mobile device. Simply tap on the profile icon at the top right corner and navigate to Manage Google Account. Once there, scroll down and tap on People and Sharing, followed by Contact Info for your device. Tap on Saved Info and select your Google account. Now, keep this page open and switch to your Android contact application. Then tap on the four dots to go to Settings and select the Export option. From there, tap on Contacts and save the file. Once the file is saved, go back to the contact application. Tap on the three lines again and choose the Import option. Select the recently created contact file and import it. That's it. Your contacts are now successfully transferred to your Gmail account. This ensures a seamless transition if you are switching devices or serves as a backup for your valuable contacts. If you enjoyed this video, like it and share your comments or questions below.